So here we have the DEWALT Shop Vac. It has a feature where you can either use the vacuum or you can put the hose in here and use the blower. It's super easy. It came like this, so you really don't have to assemble anything. It also comes with multiple attachments, so to extend the hose, you have these pieces here. There's also extra filter bags. It came in this bag, and then you can see the multiple attachments that can be used for like crevices, cleaning your car, just a variety of things. So anyway, we really enjoyed this. It has great suction as well, which is always a plus because I hate vacuums that don't suck very well. Like, what's the point of the vacuum? It is a little bit larger, so you do have to have some space in order to store it. But overall, excellent vacuum.
So here's the inside of the vacuum. The screws are in there too. In my basement, so excuse the mess. For the wheels, which are also dirty and have been used. And then the filter. Paid full price and it was delivered completely sealed. Awesome.